PM, it will be clear that who will be the chief minister.
What are the factors that the BJP
yes,
is taking into consideration while making this choice, Sumit? Beg your pardon, Mehendi.
Well, Uday, we talk about, various factors are being into discussions right now. The caste equation is one of the major factors that BJP is thinking about before choosing their CM, before choosing the cabinet ministers as well. Because if we talk about the national capital, Uday, then a lot of people from different castes live here. And if we talk about these particular elections also, then BJP has got the mandate of all the castes. We can say the Vaishyas, the Purvanchalis, the lower castes and the Baniyas and the Punjabis, the Sikhs. So all the castes gave their full mandate to the Bharatiya Janata Party to win in these elections. So keeping that in mind, BJP is doing their thorough discussions that who will be the perfect choice for the CM candidate. And women factor is also a very big factor, because talking about BJP strategy, then yes, in all the elections it can be seen that BJP works in favor of women. If we talk about the yojnas that BJP comes out with for the women, and also the speculations are very high for Rekha Gupta, the MLA from Shalimar Bagh can be chosen as the CM. So various factors, the caste equations, the women factor are into consideration, and also the Bihar politics and the Bihar elections are underway this year only. So Bihar elections are also into discussions because for BJP each and every election is very important. So taking that election into consideration as well, BJP will choose their CM, and not only CM Uday, but also the cabinet ministers.